Removing the hinges. Okay. The last one. This is the old white door, main door. And the height is 210 cm yan dyan, no?
Saan? Baba na diretso?
210 by ano yan sa dyan? Lapat?
By 80.
80. No, 90. This one, 90.
Kumakapit yan sa bakal.
Yung pintura na yan.
Latex.
Okay. Removing the hinges. So this is now 4 hinges. Pangit yung pagkatrabaho na. Dapat siya uka, oh. Dapat siya uka. Uka. This is now the new Narra door. Oh, this is the old door from I removed from my condominium, the first house, and it deserves to here, right here. Okay. So now it doesn't fit actually. This will be the third time I'm gonna have this fitted.
Kung dito tayo sa pagbabawas, ang tatagalan na naman.
Oh, it's 6 p.m. We're installing the door lock. The problem here is that the thickness of this door is 4.5 cm and the jamb is only 3.5 cm. So we need to chip off portion of this jamb. See that? This one right here. This is only 3.5. The thickness of the door is 4.5. We need to adjust the door jamb or the hamba because the main door doesn't really fit. So instead of adjusting the main door, we choose to adjust the door jamb. Baka babawasan lang siya para
3 cm.
3 cm ang bawas para magkasya yung pintuan. So 3 cm the door jamb for the main door to fit in. That's how you do that. Roger na siya. And then we just paint it white ulit, Jer.
Paint white. Pinangil. Loose.
Mabilis, no? Preparation of the hinge installation. Just measure it.
Plastic varnish.
This is the point where to put the first hinge, then the second hinge here, the third, and then the fourth hinge. Okay?
24.
Okay. Then sunod,
Tapos sunod.
from here, galing dyan,
Oo.
hanggang dyan.
63.
Okay. Sige nga. 62, di ba?
63 yun?
Ha?
63.
63?
Oo.
Okay. Okay, checking portion of the door or hinge using chisel. Katam. Oh, I see. So it's balanced. Okay. That's how we do it. Okay. Good. Ayan, ito.
Nails.
May papo. Bakit nails?
Di ba nagtapal tayo niyan?
Paano nagpili pa yan?
Oo.
Okay. Kasi pinapal. Screwing the hinges. Okay. This one. Roger on the right side, Christian on the left side. Gandang kulay niya. Gold. I like the color gold. The hinge. Yale is the brand. Para sure. Just to make sure of the quality. Now finally bringing the door after the jam is painted with plain white.
Sa baba nga. May sa baba para hindi mas baka mga yan. Oo.
See, babawas ng konti. Keeping off a bit.
Yeah.
Of the jam. Okay na? Okay, that's good.
Pwede yung tulak dyan.
Okay, installing now.
I-plug natin.
Testing the hinge.
Kaya na?
The hinges if it fits the door jam. Pero basa ba? Yeah, we start screwing the hinges at the bottom.
Tulak daw sa dyan. Kapag, oh yan, sipa. Kulang pa. Kulang pa? Oo.
The second hinge. First one. Okay, adjusting it.
Okay, kaya naman.
No, on top. Yung hagdan dyan, yun yung salit-salit na lang.
Hindi na. Hila daw dyan. Ha? Hila mo daw.
Pataas?
Pagkat yan, patak.
Oh, I like the color gold. Okay, this is now the new door. Buksan namin. So we'll remove the plastic. And if you look at it, this is the Narra door. And then, focus. Let's look at it. This is the new doorknob. Okay, look at the door. Fantastic. And the doorknob. Like that. See that? Okay. This is the new handle. Chrome-plated gold. Yes. Close. At ito na din yung look at it. That's it. It's done. Project is done. This is another door from the old house. Okay, natural color. See? Different tone. There's a dark portion, yellowish, reddish, brown, with some dark spots. Natural. Beautiful. And this is the inner side of the door. Look at that. So beautiful. And the handle is a master. Medyo new is a wow. Yellowish, reddish, brown, natural. Oh, I love it.